Before the end of
matutulog.
work today, I want HR to notify me about my employment. Otherwise, I'll make sure to share your guarantee letter in the company group chat. Do you understand?
Wait lang natin yung isa. Ay, mali ako pag ano.
From the marketing
Bukwa
department,
doon yung isa.
she's my best friend.
Yung maliit na ano. Send ko lang to.
Darn it. I thought Emma was its target. I can't even break wall.
Wala nga yung isang maliit na unan. Nanap na?
Yes.
Wala yung isang maliit na unan.
Once you show them that you're tough, no one will dare to fool you anymore.
Wain mo yung maliit na unan. Wait lang.
Yung cellphone ko diyan.
So yung maliit na unan. So yun no. Kompleto na.
Stop shouting at me. If you're so brave, why not let everyone come in
Dito
here?
Lala.
We can see if you're trying.
Nandiyan yung cellphone ni Papa. Makuha daw kahit yung charger tas yung bag.
It was you. You sexually harassed
Ha?
and tried to force me.
Ikaw na magkuha. Buksan mo na lang tas